Hi everyone. How are you doing this Sunday night of the first week of the semester? Have you made it through the first week? Have you gotten into all the classes that you're looking to get into? Has everything gone smoothly? Probably not. But I hope whatever wasn't smooth got resolved and that you're doing all right. Sorry, you have to pardon. This is my dog. This is one of my dogs. So I'm just gonna make her say hello because all you can see is her little body. So this is Rosie. So Rosie sometimes makes videos with me when we talk to you guys. So Rosie says hi. Now she's gonna chill out. So here we are. I want to run through the what's happening this week. Okay. So when you wake up in the morning, or if you stay up till after midnight, you're gonna see this module is gonna open up, and it's what is human sexuality. And so you're going to kind of look through all the things I'm going to ask you to do. You're going to read the chapter 1 in the reader, which is pretty straightforward. You're going to look over the sexuality PowerPoint, and then you're going to review and start to write your sexual history. So that's kind of the biggest first assignment you're going to have. That's going to be due on the 3rd. So it's a big portion of your grade, so make sure you write it. It's very private. I'm the only person that will read it. It doesn't get shared with your classmates, so don't worry about that. Let's see what else. I want you to watch the John Oliver clip, the Talk About Sex Education clip, just to kind of look at how sex education is handled in our in the United States and kind of what's humorous and perhaps dysfunctional about it. And then there's another little kind of psychology video for you to check out. So let me go back to the modules because I want to just make sure to show you the couple things. So we've done our discussions, we've met each other, we've done all that. So excuse me. So you're going to have your sex history, which is the document that only goes to me. It doesn't go to anyone else. That's due September 3rd. And then you have a regular class forum, which is sex education. So this week, the discussion and the sex history are both kind of surrounding how did you learn about sex? Because one of the things that we understand is that many of us learn about it in ways that maybe were not accurate, maybe were not helpful, maybe came with a lot of shame or embarrassment, and even maybe things that really, created a problem for you. So that's why I'm kind of asking you to look at this through your own lens and think of it in terms of your own experiences, just to get us started. And so like I said, the sex history is between you and I. No one else reads it. And obviously, if any of the questions feel like you're not comfortable sharing, you are absolutely welcome to say, I'm not comfortable sharing that answer. That doesn't bother me. And then the discussion will be the one that you have with your classmates and me, in the larger forum. So this one is just between you and I, and then this one is for the entire class. All right? So obviously, have a good start to the semester. I look forward to seeing you on the modules, and always feel free to reach out to me with an email. Stop by my office if you're on campus. Put a face to a name and come say hi to me. All right, have a good night, and I'll be seeing you on the discussion forums.